distinguished guest lecturer, Professor Fabio Lima, real representative of the Honorable Minister for Culture, Tourism and National Reorientation, Professor Babawale. Our distinguished guest, Ambassador of Cuba, Nigeria, Australia, Trinidad and Tobago, of course all other distinguished guests who are here present. We want to thank you most sincerely for having the patience, the endurance to be with us today. We are very happy and we share in the joy that you are associated with us. You love us. You are a very example of partaker in our traditional history and historical heritage. Today we are honoring two important guests who are here present. Dr. Caroline Strange from the World Bank has been with us. He was present with us when we celebrated the Sango Festival last year. We want to appreciate our commitment to our culture and the restoration of our heritage. We are being honored today for your love for us and your commitment to our tradition and culture. This is a merit award for you, and we want you to continue to support us in an honest endeavor to preserve our cultural and historical heritage. You have, of course, you have the symbolic base. That's your calabash. He who brings Kola brings life. That's Kola. The second merit award goes to Mrs. Marilyn Carolino.